what I'd like to talk to you today about, take 15, Little Albert and John Watson. This is another classical conditioning experiment. John Watson believed in tabula rasa, that is, you are a blank slate. So you're no one. You don't have a personality. You don't have inborn talents. I can make you whatever I want to. So I could make you a good person. I could make you a bad person. I could make you a professional, or I could make you, something else as far as job titles go. So John Watson gets a hold of this little boy named Little Albert. I'm not sure that was really his name. And he wanted to know if he could condition Little Albert to have a fear. So, and for the purpose of this conversation, I'm just going to say it was a white mouse. I don't know if it was a rat. I know it wasn't a rabbit, but something that was white and fuzzy. So he presents this white fuzzy mouse, and then Watson would come up behind Little Albert and like cymbals or some kind of a loud clanging sound, which in Little Albert produces the startle response. And in very young children, what we find with the startle response is they start to cry. They get, upset. So, white mouse presentation, which is the neutral stimuli, the loud noise, which is the unconditioned stimuli, UC, the unconditioned stimuli, and the startle response, which is the unconditioned response. So that is UCS and UCR, the stimulus response, are things that the organism would do in the wild. They don't need to be taught in order to do these things. Well, enough pairings, and now every time the white mouse is presented, Little Albert starts to get upset. Now we have taken the unconditioned stimuli, the loud noise, and we don't need that anymore. Now we have the conditioned stimuli, which is the white mouse or rat, whatever it is. So John Watson did actually condition a fear into Little Albert, but one of the ideas in psychology is what happened to Little Albert. Was he a really messed up adult? Did he ever get over it? I read an article where they think now that one of the reasons perhaps that Little Albert had such a large response was that he might have been handicapped. I don't know if he was or not. I believe there is an article that actually narrows down who they think Little Albert really was, but I don't remember. But the whole point of that is, can you condition a fear into someone? And the answer is yes. But in both cases, Pavlov and with Watson, is you cannot really condition a very complex behavior. What you're really bringing out is a reflexive behavior. You're startled, you're afraid, you get anxious, or something like that.